What's up, guys? Tony back, aka Ghost from Retro Ghost. So today we got a little something special. I picked this up locally not too long ago, and wanted to kind of crack into it and go over the condition. So here we have a Game Boy Pocket Clear Edition. Um, pockets were Pockets were released worldwide in '96. And then I think in '97 they came out with the ones with the LEDs on the side, the power LED. So I don't think this is one of those. I think this is one of the original runs. Super excited to get into it. From the pictures I saw online, the one in this box actually looks like it's in really good condition. But first, let's just go over the box a little bit. I did, like I said, pick this up locally on one of those kind of like selling apps. But the box didn't look too bad, and I was really happy to see that it was complete in box. Has seen better days, but the most important thing is the front here is looking pretty good, because that's the side I'm going to most likely display it on. Only thing really is this line right across the top here, obviously from opening and closing the top flap. Not really too many like dings or scratches in the actual cover itself. The sides, there's a little bit of wear here. The corners obviously are going to look a little rough. Now on the back we have a little chunk missing out of here, but like I said, not really too concerned with the back. However, I am going to attempt to get these stickers off here. I want it to look a little bit better, and these stickers are just atrocious. So a couple different options I had for that. I was going to try out the old trusty lighter fluid method. So I might get into that on this same video after we look over the Game Boy, or I might just make a separate video showing off how to do that. Now, another option I went with is Goo Gone. This is an adhesive remover, and I've used this before on decals that are really good and stuck on my cars and everything, and it seems to work really well without damaging like paint. I'm gonna see how it does on cardboard, but yeah, I mean, looking over the rest of the box, not really too much damage. It's still got the original Nintendo seal on the bottom, which is kind of cool. Top's obviously ripped, but let's get into it and see. Let's see what all actually is in the box itself. All right, so obviously we have our Game Boy. And like I said, that's looking really good, but I'm going to put that off to the side for right now, and I'm going to check out what's in the box here. So we got one manual. Sorry about that, guys. My roommate just walked in, so I had to pause the video, but let's just keep going. So we got one manual. It looks like we got another manual here. I'm not exactly sure. I've never actually had a complete in box Game Boy Pocket, so this looks like just a consumer information booklet, but this says the same thing on it here, so I wonder if, I don't know, you guys tell me. This one looks a little bit older than this one. This one looks, judging by the yellowing, I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but I don't know, did these things come with two consumer information booklets? This one says, so this one has DMG USA 5, and this one says H/DMG USA 5. Wonder what the H is about. Oh, keep it moving. This looks like a poster. Oh yeah, this is the Play It Loud poster. That's really cool, actually. I'm kind of stoked that all this stuff is still in the box. This is really cool. Advertising the Super Game Boy there. That's really sweet. And then the front of the poster, some cool 90s graphics. that's totally 90s right there. That's really awesome. I might actually get this framed and display it. That's a really cool little collector piece. In really good condition too. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that poster. And then it looks like compact video game system. This is the instruction booklet for the Game Boy. Kind of going over all the features and functions. Tells you all your buttons and everything, speaker, battery safety. Well, maybe not so much safety back then, just installing the batteries. So yeah, it looks like everything is actually complete in the box, and I'm not surprised because judging by how nice this Game Boy looks, it looks like this thing hasn't even been played before. Like, to be completely honest with you, there's absolutely no scratches or anything on the screen or the body, but you know, you can tell it's a little smudged up, and that's nothing a quick wipe down won't take care of. And it's like brand new. I mean, even the look at those stickers, they're still really clean and crisp. There's no bubbling or wrinkles in the back sticker here. Even the UPC or whatever these scan stickers are called, because those stickers usually go the fastest from what I see because they're not laminated or anything, so it's kind of just like a rough matte sticker. But that one is absolutely clean and in perfect condition, it looks like, or near perfect. But yeah, I kind of want to crack into this really quick and just, matter of fact, let me. Absolutely gorgeous. There's like absolutely nothing wrong with this. A little bit of dust from where those openings in the battery sleds are. A little bit of dust here, but yeah, I can just wipe that down. But that thing is absolutely gorgeous. It looks brand new, like fresh off the factory line. Actually, kind of don't even want to disconnect that screen. Kind of don't even want to go any farther than here. I mean, I can already see that you know, the buttons are still clean. There doesn't really seem or appear to be any kind of like grime in between the buttons. Like I said, I don't think this thing's ever been played, or maybe like a game or two put in just to see if it works. But yeah, I'm gonna close this back up and maybe give it a wipe down later on. But I definitely want to attend to this box for sure. Last thing to do, I'm gonna grab some batteries really quick so we can test this guy. All right. I really don't have any doubts that this is not going to work. I'm pretty positive it is. It just looks way too clean. If it doesn't work, I'd be very, very surprised. All right, so first let's, yep, there we go. We have power. Doesn't look like there's any lines in the screen, and we definitely had sound there. So, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the guy actually threw in a game of a copy of Mario Golf, which is really cool. So throw that in there and see what it's looking like, and success. I know it's kind of difficult to see. My white balance and lighting situation is still in the works, but I did get some new lighting. I got a microphone, so let's see if I can make these videos a little bit better quality. But yeah, it seems like all the buttons are working. Well, hold on, I spoke too soon. So it's a start. Okay, so start. Does that say Tony? Oh, that's right. Man, I was about to say, I completely forgot that I threw this into my Game Boy Advance to see if the game worked earlier. So I just want to get into a game so I can see if. Okay, so A works. All right, B works. Directional pads work. And select works. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna throw that off to the side. Check out this box here. It looks like, hold on. Oh, I missed something in the box here. My bad, guys. Jumping the gun. So this is the Nintendo Power subscription advertisement. So yeah, definitely definitely a complete in-box Game Boy Pocket. Maybe a little bit extra, because it seems like we got 2 of these consumer information booklets, and I'm not sure if they were supposed to come with 2, but the Play It Loud poster, we got the instruction booklet and the consumer information booklet on top of the Nintendo Power subscription ad. All right, so this box is what I want to tackle. Not too badly creased up or anything, but the box has definitely seen some better days. But I definitely want to tackle the stickers first, and then we'll see about maybe throwing this under an iron, maybe flattening it back out. I might not do that because I really don't want to break this Nintendo seal, so I think I'm just going to tackle the stickers and then I'll display it front side up like this. All right. So I'm not sure which method I want to try first. I do want to test out this Goo Gone, mainly because if it works really well, this is probably what I'll be using. I'm not sure how I feel about using lighter fluid, even though I've seen it work a million times in videos. But I think I'm going to try the lighter. Actually, no, I think I'm going to try the Goo Gone first. I'm not really sure how it's going to do on these stickers. These stickers are kind of weird. It's like really on there. So let's see. This one's kind of. Oh, yeah, see, I shouldn't have did that. I was going to say it's kind of coming up right here already. So I might see if I can start down there on it. All right, let's just give it a shot. Jump right in. Alright, so there we have it. Completely remove the stickers. As you can see, it's not 100% success, like I said earlier, but it's not too bad. Can't really complain too much, considering the state of those stickers. I didn't think there was any chance I was getting them off at all, but you know, it did slightly damage the box a little bit, and it's a good learning experience. I think I know what to do next time, but for now I'm gonna just take a black Sharpie and kind of get all this white stuff up and see if we can make the box look a little bit better before we throw everything back in. So be right back. Okay, so couldn't find a black Sharpie, so I'm gonna just have to do that at another time. But yeah, guys, should probably try to get this sticker off the top here too, huh? Yeah, let's do that. It's not over yet. So I'm gonna just go with the lighter fluid here, because that seemed to work a little bit better than the Goo Gone. Alright guys, so as you saw, this top sticker is giving me a lot more trouble than the back ones did. Back ones are still pretty hard to get off, but this sticker on the top here, it must have been a different adhesive that they used for these Nintendo closure stickers. Well, absolutely probably is a different adhesive, but yeah, that just does not want to come off. Like I just can't get a good I can't get a good starting point on any of these corners here. Every single time I try to get it up, no matter how saturated it is with the lighter fluid or the Goo Gone, it's just like shredding to bits. Like I have little bits of sticker all over my terry cloth here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out another way to maybe get that sticker off at a later date. And if any of you guys know a better method or how I could possibly get this off, I would love to hear that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Clean up here a little bit. So, Nintendo Game Boy Pocket clear version, complete in box. We have all of the enclosures, manuals. This is what I'm most excited about, though. The actual Game Boy itself is just in immaculate condition, brand new, basically. Definitely a near version. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'm gonna give this Game Boy a quick wipe down, maybe throw in another game and enjoy it. So this has been Tony from Retro Ghost. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Later.